Dear students, I am Pratik sir, mathematics teacher of class 9, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, I am explaining you about the basic concepts of chapter 14, statistics. First of all, what is statistics? What is the meaning of statistics? Statistics is the main branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, classification and analysis of numerical data. It means whatever data is given, first of all we collect the information of that data, we classify the data in different form, we analyze it and then we interpret it in the form of maybe sometimes in the form of simple frequency distribution table with tally marks, sometimes with grouped frequency distribution table, by using a pie chart, by using a pie graph or by using a bar graph or histogram. There are various ways by which a data can be interpreted. This all we study in statistics. Now the very first topic which comes is what is a data. The facts or figures which are numerical or otherwise collected with a definite purpose are called data. For example, a data can be the information of marks obtained by the students in any of the class, heights of the students. Suppose if there is any showroom, the number of different vehicles which are sold in that showroom. So a data can be related to anything. Next comes what is a raw data. Raw means kacha. Raw data means whatever values are given, the values are in jumbled form. Here you can see I have written some values 55, 36, 95, 73, 60, 42, 25, 78, 75, 62. All these values are not in the form of ascending order and not at all in the form of descending order. When we arrange the values in ascending or descending order, it is called an array, A-R-R-A-Y, array. So the given values you can see are arranged in ascending order: 25, 36, 42, 55, 60, 62, 73, 75, 78 and 95. So when we arrange the given values in ascending order or in descending order, that makes an array. Now last one is range. What is a range? The difference between the highest and the lowest values in the given data is called a range. Here you can see the lowest value is 25 and the highest value is 95. So the difference between 95 and 25, it means 95 minus 25, which is equals to 70. This is called range. Next is ungrouped frequency distribution. Ungrouped frequency distribution means whatever values are given, we arrange that values one by one, not in the form of group. Ungrouped frequency distribution. Here 30 values are given. You can see 30 values are given, 30 different values are given. So how to make ungrouped frequency distribution? You can see 10 is just one time. If you find out 10, you will find it just one time in the given values. 20 is also one time, 36 3 times, 40 4 times, 53, 56 2, 64, 74, 72 1, 81, 88 2 times, 92 3 times and 95 1 time. In the column of marks, we will arrange the values in ascending order. First of all, the least value is 10 and then moving on to the greatest value till 95. And we will see how many times each value is repeated. It means what is the frequency of each value, we will write in the column number of students, that means frequency. This is how we make ungrouped frequency distribution. Thank you.